What is the space launch system for Artemis? Imagine a rocket so powerful it can send astronauts beyond the moon and into deep space. That's what the Space Launch System is built for. It's NASA's newest heavy-lift rocket, designed to carry humans and cargo on the Artemis missions. These missions aim to return humans to the moon and eventually send explorers to Mars. The SLS is the backbone of these ambitious plans, making deep space exploration possible. The core of the rocket is called the core stage. It's about 212 feet tall and 27.6 feet wide. Inside, it holds over 730,000 gallons of supercooled liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen. These fuels power for US-25 engines, which are upgraded versions of engines used on the space shuttle. These engines produce more than 2 million pounds of thrust when firing at high altitude. The core stage also has many wires and sensors to monitor and control the rocket during launch. On each side of the core stage are two solid rocket boosters. These boosters are huge, weighing about 1.6 million pounds each. They produce about 3.6 million pounds of thrust at liftoff. During the first 2 minutes of flight, these boosters provide about 75 to 80% of the total thrust needed to lift the rocket off the ground. These boosters are the largest solid rocket boosters ever built for humans and are based on the design used in the space shuttle, but with extra segments and stronger materials. Once the boosters fall away, the upper stage takes over. For early Artemis missions, NASA uses the interim cryogenic propulsion stage. It's based on a Delta rocket upper stage and powered by a single ton engine. Future Artemis flights will use the exploration upper stage, which has 4 ton engines. This upgrade allows for heavier payloads and longer missions beyond the moon. The SLS comes in different versions called blocks. The first, Block 1, can lift about 95 metric tons to low Earth orbit and send around 27 metric tons toward the moon. The second, Block 1B, adds a more powerful upper stage, increasing the payload to about 105 metric tons to low Earth orbit and 42 metric tons to the moon. The planned Block 2 will have even bigger boosters and engines, capable of lifting over 130 metric tons to low Earth orbit and more than 46 metric tons to deep space. For astronauts training for Artemis, the SLS is the rocket they will ride on for these long journeys. They learn how to handle the intense vibrations, accelerations, and flight dynamics of such a powerful machine. Knowing how each part works helps ensure safety during launch and travel beyond Earth. In short, the Space Launch System is NASA's next big step in space exploration. Its massive size, upgraded engines, and powerful boosters make it possible to send humans farther than ever before. It's the vehicle that will carry astronauts to the moon and beyond, opening a new chapter in exploring our solar system.